Good morning, children, and Assalamu alaikum. Open your English workbook. Page number 21. Trace and color. आज हमने जो है जी है ना, ये जी इसको हमने जो है वो ट्रेस करना है और इन ग्लव्स पे आपने क्या करना है, कलर करना है. व्हाट इज़ दिस? ग्लव्स. 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 ओके, टच द डॉट. Make a half circle, come down, down, go up, touch the dot, come down, down, and go there. What is the sound of G? G, G, G. इसको भी इसी तरह ट्रेस करेंगे. Touch the dot, make a half circle, go there, touch the dot, come down and go there. Touch the dot, come down, make a half circle, go up, down, and go there. G, 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 gloves, gloves, gloves. This page is your homework and page 22 is also your homework. Okay, babies, Allah Hafiz.